We have also District Collector Lakshmi Priya on line. Ma'am, how was the rescue operation going on there?
See, we've got the complaint from Kerala yesterday regarding this person. So we have started the rescue operation a couple of days back. So we are first clearing one side of the road. It is a 2-lane road. We are clearing one side of the road, and the remaining side will be attended to once this is completed. So there is the possibility of either the truck being stuck inside the mud along the hill, or it could be under the river stuck inside the soil. So we have put our we have a Kadamba naval base here in Karwar. We have requested for divers from the naval base. They will be on the spot diving into the river and finding out if there is a vehicle stuck under the water. So that will rule out the option of whether the vehicle is there in the water or not. That will be done immediately. By today afternoon we'll get a confirmation. For the if at all the truck is stuck on the landslide portion, inside the mud, we are doing the rescue operation as our SP had already briefed you. We are attending to it as soon as possible, and the work is going on. There is no delay in the work. We have put sufficient forces, sufficient equipment, sufficient machinery to attend to the restoration.
Just want to add one more thing, ma'am. The family is saying, the family is on spot. Maybe you'd have talked to them. The family is saying the rescue operation is only going on in one lane, but the lorry GPS location is showing on the other lane, and
Correct.
There is no rescue operation. There is no initiative to remove mud from that side of the lane. That is what family is telling us.
Correct. So because as our SP has already briefed you, it is continuously raining and the weather is not supporting us. If we have to do this side first so that we can remove the other side slowly, otherwise the entire hill will collapse. Again it will collapse, and we have people working there also. So we have to do that. We have to go 2 steps forward and 1 step back. So we are doing that slowly, considering the safety of people also. It is being attended to. We are not stopping any work. We are continuously doing. We have sufficient forces, and we will ensure that it is being done.
Just one more thing. I just talked to the SP just before you. He told there's a slight chance of this lorry being drowned in the nearby river. Is there a probability for that too?
Correct. That's what I told you earlier also. We have put our divers from naval base. They will be diving into the river and finding out whether there is a vehicle or not. So that operation is parallelly going on. One side, the road restoration is also happening. On the other side, this operation is also going on parallelly.
When will the Navy reach this site, ma'am?
They've already started at 9:30. They will be reaching shortly, and they'll start the operations.
Is the climate is creating issues in this rescue operation?
Correct. We have a red alert for the next 2 days, and it is continuously raining without even a half an hour gap. And the soil there, we had the Geological Survey of India people coming there and giving us a study, and they said that the soil has reached its saturation. So any movement will bring down the entire mud portion, and it will create further damages. So we have to handle it carefully. So our team and all the other experts are there on field. They are working on it. So we will be doing it. We will be doing it continuously.
Just one more thing, ma'am. The family, as I told you before, the family just wanted to know when rescue operation will start on the other lane. Can you give any update on that?
It will be done today. So we'll give you an update by today evening on the progress of how much it has been done. So this will complete, the first lane will complete in another 1 hour or so, and we will start the other portion also.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining us, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.